In this tutorial video, we'll guide you through utilizing data drift for performing insert actions. To begin, let's configure the account object in the Object Config tab. Start by selecting the account object. Next, choose the operation type as insert. Then, select the Excel file containing the account data you wish to insert. Ensure to map the fields appropriately for accurate insertion. The records will be seamlessly inserted using a batch process. Finally, records are inserted in Salesforce.